What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna review this Edifier WH950NB. I've been looking for a comfortable, good looking noise cancellation headphone. I wanted to buy a Christmas gift for Thea, which she will actually enjoy. And as I know Thea is looking for a pair of headphones, I have bought this Edifier WH950NB. I haven't bought one pair, I have bought two pairs. One is for this review, which I actually will use, and the other one is for Thea. Yeah, I'm gonna give that black colored edition to Thea, and I'm gonna keep this ivory colored edition because I like this two-tone design. Look at this. And yeah, they have actually implemented the color accent very well. It looks posh, it looks premium and elegant. Well, we are gonna start from unboxing and we will go through all the features. We will talk about the performance. But before everything, as usual, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, before we talk about all the features and the performance, there is another thing that I truly care about, and I think this is one of the most important part of any pair of headphones. The thing is, what type of comfort a pair of over-the-ear headphones offer is really very important because we are gonna wear these over our ear. It's gonna sit on top of our head, and yeah, if the ear cups don't get a very good and comfortable seal around the ear, then it will be very difficult for anybody to use a pair of over-the-ear headphones for a longer period of time. What type of sound does it offer will become less important, because if you're not comfortable enough with a pair of headphones, then definitely you're not gonna wear that for a longer period of time, and that will hamper the listening experience. So yeah, I'm gonna give 10 out of 10 to this Edifier WH950NB for comfort level. And you can see I wear a pair of glasses, so if you're someone like me, if you wear a pair of glasses, most of the headphones will make you uncomfortable because the ear cups actually sits on the temples of the glasses. Yeah, the arms of the glasses are known as temples. Yeah, the ear cups actually pushes on the temples on both the sides. So if it's not comfortable enough, you won't really enjoy listening. As these ear cups are manufactured with very good quality memory foam, and the memory foam is covered with very good quality, premium quality pleather, and the same pleather is used for the headband. Oh yeah, the headband actually has an aluminum frame, and around the aluminum frame, Edifier has used a very good quality polycarbonate. So in terms of build quality and comfort level, I'm gonna give 10 out of 10 to this Edifier WH950NB. I'm not gonna prolong this video by talking about design language, because different type of people likes different type of designs, different type of people have different type of preferences. But in terms of outlook and appearance, I think this Edifier WH950NB actually looks tremendously well. It's gorgeous, elegant, and has this posh vibe. You know what? The outer shell of the ear cups actually has very nice textures, and altogether this two-tone design language and the placement of the Edifier logo, everything is so precise. It looks like an industrial masterpiece. For your information, yeah, I've suddenly noticed that Edifier WH950NB is a winner of Red Dot. Edifier has already printed Red Dot winner 2023. This one is also IFA Design Award winner. So definitely in terms of design language, this is so very unique, has precise cutouts, and everything together offers a very good comfy feelings. Okay, Edifier WH950NB has a very good build quality, it looks nice and elegant, but what about the sound quality? Edifier WH950NB is actually Hi-Res Audio certified. This one comes with Hi-Res Audio Wireless certification, supports LDAC, and offers a very good sound quality, and has a very optimized sound algorithm or sound signature. Wow, the sound stage is really very wide. WH950NB reaches a frequency response of 40 kHz and it's able to output high quality audio. Hi-Res Audio gives us a wide range of detail and clarity for the ultimate listening experience. Edifier WH950NB is actually equipped with 40mm composite titanium film driver that delivers exceptional sound. It accurately presents natural and balanced audio for all genres of music. I believe this WH950NB, this belongs to the super premium league because this one offers super premium sound quality. But in terms of price, you will be surprised to know that Edifier WH950NB costs less than $200 and if you're lucky enough, you will be able to get this Edifier WH950NB for as low as $179.99. I think I should mention this. In terms of sound quality, I mean low, mid and high, this is one of the best pair of headphones that I have ever used, which costs less than $350 and offers the best sound quality. The lows got its own oomph. Yeah, the bass actually goes very high. The highs are crystal clear, comes with super clarity. The mids, I mean the voice, yeah, that's rich and warm. There is a very nice separation between these three, and it's not only about separation, it's all about reproduction. It's all about a mixture of clarity and quality. Yeah, I think I'm ready to give 10 out of 10 for the first time because it performs, and in terms of value for money, there is no other option, there is no other competitor available on the market right now. And it not only comes with noise cancellation, there are actually 4 different levels of noise cancellation. We can select between high noise cancellation, medium noise cancellation, wind reduction, ambient sound, and okay, we can also turn off the noise cancellation thing. I think you won't need that high noise cancellation if you're not in a very crowded place. Even if I use medium noise cancellation, I get a very good noise cancellation. It makes me feel like I'm totally blocked out of my surroundings. The ambient sound mode is actually the same thing as transparency mode, so we will be able to listen to what is happening around us. I mean, the surrounding sounds will be a bit available to us, so if we are crossing a street or if we are sitting in a cafe, then we will be easily able to communicate with others, and yeah, at the same time we will also be able to enjoy whatever we are listening to. As this pair of headphones supports MPC multi-point connection, yeah, this one can be connected to 2 different devices at the same time. So what I have done is I have connected this to my foldable smartphone, which I use as a tablet. Yeah, because this is a very big foldable smartphone. And at the same time, I have also connected my WH950NB to my OnePlus 12. I actually receive and make phone calls through this OnePlus 12. And yeah, switching between 2 devices is really super fast. There is no lag, no issues. I enjoy entertainment on my Oppo Find N3. And whenever there is a phone call on my OnePlus 12, I can easily switch between the devices. Talking about phone calls, as this WH950NB is equipped with 4 mics, it offers a very good sound quality, and as Edifier has developed their own algorithm for this noise cancellation thing, the other part always listens to a very good, very sharp and clear, yet rich and warm voice. Sometimes my friends ask me, what are you using? Your sound has just become better than what it is in reality. Well, the credit goes to this Edifier WH950NB. Another thing that is very important about a pair of headphones is its battery life. It's not a set of TWS that we are gonna put it into the charging case and quickly refuel. So yeah, battery life and charging time matters. It takes around 123 minutes to get fully recharged, and when it's fully recharged, we can use Edifier WH950NB for 35 hours with ANC on and massive ludicrous 58 hours without ANC. Battery life of 58 hours, that means almost 2.5 days. So that means we can go traveling with this pair of headphones and we can forget about the charging cable if we are gonna travel for 3 days or less. Well, 10 minutes of quick charging will offer us 7 hours of listening time. That's another great thing. Finally, before I wrap up, I want to talk about 3 other things. As in many other Edifier TWS and headphones, this WH950NB also supports Google Fast Pair. It's a very easy to pair. Edifier has their own application. Yeah, they have developed a very nice application, and inside the application we can check battery level. We can also enable safe volume, where the volume will never exceed 85 decibel. So yeah, that will actually help us to have a healthy ear, and we can enjoy music without worrying about damaging our hearing. I have already shown that there are 5 different noise cancellation modes. We can also select between different presets like classic, dynamic, and we can customize our preset. And finally, we can switch through 3 different modes. There is music mode, game mode, and theater mode. This is another great thing because the music mode has the best setting for enjoying our favorite music tracks. The game mode has an ultra low frequency of 80 milliseconds. This allows us to experience smoother, faster, and more immersive gameplay. The theater mode is actually a combination of surround sound features and professionally tuned equalizer that's made for watching movies anywhere, anytime. So finally, there is another feature that I really like to use, that is shutdown timer. There is this feature inside Edifier Connect app. If you download the application, then you will be able to set a timer how long this Edifier WH950NB takes before it gets automatically powered off. Actually, I use this when I go to bed, and when I'm falling asleep, I know that I'm falling asleep, I just put this off. I don't bother powering it off manually because I know it will get automatically powered off. So that's all about this. I don't want to talk about some other general things, some other general informations which is available online, but well, if you want to know, then this pair of headphones comes with 4 dedicated buttons. There is a mood button. We can use that mood button to cycle through music mode, game mode, and theater mode. There is a multi-purpose button which also doubles as a power button. Once it's powered on, then the button becomes multi-purpose button. We can play, pause, and skip using that button. And definitely there is a set of dedicated volume rockers. All the buttons are located on the right side, and the button placement is really nice. It's easy to reach when we are wearing this pair of headphones. On the left side there is a 3.5mm port, so we can use this pair of headphones with a cable, and definitely this pair of headphones offers the same quality as this one comes with both the high-res audio and high-res audio wireless certification. I think me and Thea, we both are gonna use this pair of headphones for a long period of time because it will be very difficult to find another pair of headphones which offers better value for money than this WH950NB. What's your thought on this? I have left the link of the product in the description box below, but as usual, that's not an affiliate link. I don't care about affiliation. I don't want to earn from affiliation. If you want to buy this pair of headphones, you can buy from anywhere. I just want to make sure that you know Edifier WH950NB is one of the best pair of headphones which offers the best value for money among all the premium $250 or $300 headphones. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.